Hey, hello, hi, and good morning, students. Now, in today's video, you are going to learn about diagonalization of the matrix. Diagonalization of matrix. That is how to diagonalize the matrix. But this is the topic that I have chosen to let you for self-study. Self-study topic. Right. And this is the last topic left from this module number 2. So let's go for the assignment based on this module. This is the end of the module after the diagonalization of the matrix. So you are requested to study the diagonalization of the matrix, solve some questions and post it on the Google Classroom, or shoot a video on how to diagonalize the matrix and post it on Google Classroom. Now let's go for the assignment based on this. So assignment number 2. The first question will be on define basis and dimension of the vector, explain with the example. Define basis and dimension of vector space explain with example. Explain with example. Right. The second is consider the following Euclidean space. Consider the following Euclidean space in R cube where the vectors are v1 equals to 1 1 1, v2 equals to 0 1 1 and v3 equals to 0 0 1. These are the three vectors. Using Gram-Schmidt orthogonalization process, and you are asked to using Gram-Schmidt orthogonalization process transform Vi, set of Vi, V1, V2, V3, transform into orthonormal basis. Next, third, let A is the given matrix to you. 1 minus 3 3 3 minus 5 and 3 6 minus 6 and 4, and you are asked find orthonormal matrix. Find orthonormal matrix P for which P inverse AP is diagonal. P inverse AP is diagonal. Fourth, determine whether or not the following form determine whether or not following vector forms a basis for vector space for the vector space R cube, for the vector space R cube, and your R cube set of vectors are 111, 200, 020 and 002. Next, problem number 5 is problem number 5. Let V be the vector space. Let V be the vector space of polynomial with inner product given by inner product of f and g is equal to integral from 0 to 1 f of t g of t dt, and the values of f of t and g of t is given. F of t is equal to t plus 2, g of t is equal to t square minus 2t minus 3, and you are asked to find inner product of f and g and norm of f. I think this problem we have already solved in the class. Number 6. Let W be the space generated by polynomial. Let W be the space generated by polynomial v1, v2, v3. v1 equals to t cube minus t square plus t plus 1 plus 4t plus 1. v2 is 2t cube minus 3t square plus 9t plus 1. v3 is V3 is t cube plus 6t minus 5. This is minus 5. And V4, let me write here only. V4 2t cube minus 5t square plus 7t plus 5. Find basis and dimension of basis and dimension of W. Next is diagonalize the matrix. Diagonalize the matrix. I think this was the sixth one, no? Seventh. Diagonalize the matrix. A equal to 2 minus 2 minus 2 5 8. For what value of k is 1 k 5, a linear combination of vector u and v. U is equals to 1 minus 3 2, v equals to 2 minus 1 1. Next is 9. Let if A is the matrix given to you, 1 minus 3 3 3 minus 5 3 6 minus 6 and 4. I think this problem is been repeated, or matrix is repeated but the problem is not repeated. And this is 4. Find eigenvalue and eigenvectors. Find eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Right? Along with that, do calculate the normalized eigenvectors also. Next, problem 10. Show that the vectors x1 equals to 1 2 3, x2 is equals to 3 minus 1 and 4, and x3 equals to x4 equals to 4 1 7 are linearly dependent. LD, that is linearly dependent. Next problem is LA11. Problem number 11 is find eigenvalue of the matrix A. Find lambda of matrix A, and the matrix is 2 1 1 1 2 1 and 0 0 1. This is your matrix. Find the coordinate vector. Find coordinate vector v equals to 3 5 minus 2 relative to the basis of relative to the basis of E1 equals to 1 1 1, E2 is equals to 0 2 3 and E3 is equals to 0 2 minus 1. 13. Show that the matrix is unitary matrix. Show that the matrix is unitary matrix. But before that, I will take another problem. Show that the vectors. Show that vectors 2 1 4 1 minus 1 2 and 3 1 minus 2 forms the basis. Forms the basis in R3. Next 14 is show that the matrix A, the given matrix A 1 plus I by 2 minus 1 plus I by 2 1 plus I by 2 and 1 minus I by 2 is unitary. Is unitary matrix. Next is show that the matrix, I will write here only, I will just skip this. Show that the matrix uh, 13 14 was there, no? 15th problem. Next is 15th. Show that the matrix A is minus I 3 plus 2I minus 2 minus I minus 3 plus 2I 0 3 minus 4I 2 plus I, sorry, 2 minus I minus 3 minus 4I and minus 2I is a skew Hermitian. Is a skew Hermitian matrix. Next is 16th. Find eigenvalues and eigenvector of the matrix A, and the matrix is minus 2 2 minus 3 2 1 minus 6 minus 1 minus 2 0. This is minus 6. Next is find eigenvalues and eigenvectors of the matrix A. Find lambda and eigenvectors of the matrix A equals to 4, 1, minus 1. This is 2, 5, minus 2. This is 1, 1 and 2. 18th is state and prove. State and prove Cauchy-Sword inequality. Cauchy-Sword inequality. For inner product space. This Cauchy-Sword inequality we haven't seen in the lecture. You are supposed to search for this Cauchy-Sword inequality in the inner product space in a various reference books. You will get it. So these are the various problems for assignment number 2.